Hey everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to another video of One More Cast Fishing. Alright everyone, we are back. Today's gonna be special. It's gonna be something new. Just kidding. Not gonna be anything new. We're going fishing today, guys. We're gonna do some bait fishing for you. I'm gonna meet up with some good friends of mine and we're gonna try and go after it. It's gonna be some creek fishing for you today, okay? Guys, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below and enjoy this video. I'll meet you at the destination. Alright everyone, just got to our spot. I am with my friends here, Brendan and Bailey. They are both twins, just a heads up. Brendan?
What's up?
What are you gonna be fishing with tonight?
I'm using a little topwater popper, and after if don't have anything on that, then we'll try a plastic bait.
There we go. And everyone, this is Bailey.
Guys, I'm using a little prop bait. See how that works out.
Yeah. We're gonna give it a little action tonight. We got this creek under a bridge, and we're gonna see if we can get into some fish for you guys. We know there's pike in here, smallmouth, largemouth bass, carp are in here, so let's just get after it and see how this goes. Stay tuned. This is looking mighty nice. Mighty nice, boys. Guys, I'm going to be using a Googan Baits Ned rig on this mushroom head jig, and also I'm going to be using this Black Baits swim jig comboed up with a Strike King Rage Tail. We're going to see what catches us some fish.
Oh, I got one.
You got one? Bailey's hooked up. What is it? Ooh. Don't lose it, Bailey. Oh.
There we go.
Hey!
There we go, first of the night.
That is a nice, healthy fish too. Look at that. Very nice largemouth.
As soon as it hit the water.
What'd you hit? What'd you hit him on?
This white chatterbait.
Ooh, there you go.
Just got it like 2 days ago.
Nice catch, man. There you go. Don't leave me hanging.
Is it worth measurement?
Alright guys, the Ned rig hasn't worked so far. Bailey's Z-Man chatterbait. You got Z-Man one, right Bailey?
Yeah.
Yeah, Z-Man chatterbait. That's been the thing to catch all the fish so far. We're just cycling through baits. We don't know what they want. We see a lot of bait fish. I'm going to be throwing this Exo Swim 3.5 on an underspin, and I was going to see if this little swim bait will get any fish. Hopefully. There's a small bird's nest. Just waiting for that to happen. What does a guy have to do to get one fish?
Oh, gotcha.
Got one? Bailey's got one. Oh.
Yeah, you got one? Yeah, I think another bass.
Yeah, it's another bass. Nice little largemouth.
Oh,
Oh, there's another one in it.
what the?
There's another one with it. Wait, Bailey. Yeah. There's another one with it. Bailey's got another largemouth that chased up with the one he's got on.
Yeah, just drag it past. He's going for it. He's going for it.
Mine?
Yeah, he's going for it. He's right behind you.
Yeah, I see it. That's crazy. Nice little 1 pound largemouth there.
Yeah.
Salty.
Not the exact same as the last.
Guys, that was crazy. Literally, so as Bailey was reeling that in, fighting that in, all of a sudden another one about the same size came up behind it and was swimming with it. That was just crazy. This is stupid. Alright guys, that did not go as expected at this spot. Bailey shout out to him, props to him. He caught 2 largemouth, good, healthy, solid fish. Probably one was a 1 1/4 and the other was definitely 1 1/2. Good fish overall, and we saw so many bait fish. I saw a ton of perch, a lot of bluegill. There were a million frogs, and you know, like Bailey saw, I guess, a pike or a pickerel. So a lot of fish, just couldn't get our lures in their mouth, sadly. But before we end this video, we're gonna stop real quick at this other creek on the way back. It's a smaller, a little bit shallower creek. Hopefully we can get into maybe some smallmouth. But yeah, guys, just stay tuned. Hey, how are you? Nothing?
Just got one little tiny perch.
One little perch?
Yeah.
There you go.
Better luck though with that on.
Yeah,
He's just doing a while.
yeah. It's a nice night out. It's been a beautiful night.
Let me guess, you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
One more cast _ fishing with 2 G's. Remember that. Check that out.
He will too.
Do me a favor. Dude,
What is that?
a big bass.
That just hit right at the
Literally, it jumped full out of the water and into that rock.
rail?
Huh? Yeah, but I don't know if my camera will see that. Dude! Alright guys, I am back in my garage. We are done fishing. Well, obviously. But it got a little dark at our last spot and you know what, the lighting just wasn't the best and you guys wouldn't have been able to see anything. Overall, not so good of a night. It was nice catching up with my friends Bailey and Brendan. They're great dudes. The link to their Instagrams will be down below in the description. Please go check them out and give them a follow. They're really cool dudes. It was a good night. It was nice seeing them. It sucks that we didn't get into any fish really that much at all. Again, that first place, it was loaded with fish. So many bait fish, baby bass especially. We saw a pike. Bailey caught the 2 bass. So the fish are there, just weren't biting. But props to Bailey for catching those 2 bass. He outfished Brendan and I tonight. Guys, if you have not done so yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that red button. Hit that notification button so you guys never miss a video. Hit the like button for me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Give me ideas. Let me know what you want to see or what I can work on. I appreciate everything you guys do. Go check out my Instagram page. Link in the description will be down below. But yeah, guys. Always remember, it just takes one more cast.